Hello and welcome back to Patriot Contraptions. Today we're adding chains to the John Deere 214. It's really straightforward. First off, what I have to do is I have to notice that these chains are not the same on both sides. On one side there's this hook. On the other side there is this weird looking gimmick. That's actually the outside chain hook, and you want to have that on the outside because, as I'll show you in a minute, it wraps around the chain and pulls it in a little bit. So next off, since I've got these laid out nice and smooth, I'm going to push the tractor back onto them. Now that the tire is backed up onto the chains, I'm going to take the chain up front, pull it all the way to the back, and hook the inside hook first, then the outside hook. Kind of gather it up. Pull it. Now we're going to look at the inside. See that hook right there? What I'm going to do is bring up the other section of chain and simply hook it to that, as so. Now the two links are hooked together. Back to the front of the tire again, there's this little hook. What I'm going to do is put it through the chain, as so. Pull it back. You can see how I've got that there, and then this kind of pulls up and locks back onto the tire, as so. And you can see how it just clips right onto the previous link. That holds it in place. My tire chains are good to go. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my other John Deere 214 videos. As always, Patriot Contraptions, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next episode.